pals, aren't we, Sylvester? You know, buddies.
Yeah, all for one and one for all.
Kinda, like, what's yours is mine, and what's mine is mine. This stuff is okay, but I would still prefer a mouse for dinner, wouldn't you? What you looking at, Sil?
Ha! Gotcha!
Is that you in there, Sylvester? What you doing here?
Just looking for a place to spend the night, Sam, old pal. Don't want you spending the night outside again. The nights are getting chilly.
You are very considerate, Sylvester. Yeah, I wish I could think of things to do for you.
Well, that's all right, pal. Think nothing of it.
Okay, I'm thinking nothing of it.
What's that?
What's what?
Oh, never mind. It was nothing.
You better get that tooth fixed. Guess I'll hit the old sack. Got you, you little rascal.
Hey, Sam, what's going on in there? All right, Buster. What you hiding in there?
Who, me? Nothing.
Oh, yeah? We'll see. All right, nothing in there.
Just a second. You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
You never know where those little devils will hide, do you?